What is going on, Subaru people? We're upgrading LED light bulbs. We're gonna use these guys right here, the low beam and high beam bulbs right here. They have outstanding warranty, 2 years. If something happens to your bulb, you don't have to send it back. You just take a picture of burned out light bulb and they'll send you a replacement. In the description below, you'll see the link. You get a 10% off on any light bulb for any car on that website. It's not some Amazon reseller that's gonna just disappear in a year and then you have no warranty behind it. This website's been around for a while and they stand behind their product, great quality. I already upgraded my wife's car, Dodge Durango. Outstanding performance for the bulbs. So let's get this going. All right, this is what we have going on here. For the high bulbs are right here, one there. For the low beams, I'm gonna have to remove the battery and the airbox. Once those two are removed, I'll take care of that right now. Once they're removed, then we can get to the low beam as well. I'm not in the mood, but you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in business. The good news is this: once you remove your airbox, you have access to your fog light, which is right there. And same thing for the battery. The access to the fog light is right there. So we'll be able to take care of the high beam, low beam, and the fog light. These are the light bulbs we're gonna use, and at the end of the video I will show you comparison. Start with the high beam. We need to turn it counterclockwise, pull the bulb out. 9005. These guys right here, put it back in, and they're in business. We are in business. To get your low beam, you need to remove this cover right here. Same thing, counterclockwise. And this is what's going in place of that. I'm gonna install that first. That back in. We need to hide that inside the housing, the wire, and put cover back on. That's how it's done. Now we're gonna go to the other side. Just repeat the same process on the other side. For the fog light, right there. Here's your fog light bulb. Right there, the yellow one. Let's watch some comparison now. Here I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like with the old bulbs. They're old bulbs right now. And the new LEDs. Huge upgrade, huge performance upgrade. Highly recommend it. Again, guys, link in the description below. Purchase yourself one. Get one for your wife's car or your friend's car. Use that link for any light bulbs on the website, 10% off. I guess thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.